On the strata plan, they have there's, really old buildings have square feet, right? But most buildings have square meters. And so they have square meters on title in total. And so you start adding it up. You go, well, there's the floor plan. That's X amount of square meters. And we've still got another 20 to go. Well, what else is there? I find
how's that for a hot little tip, everybody? So Veronica's saying, don't just look at the floor plan that the agent puts online. That's a good starting point. It raises your awareness to things about questions you might want to ask. But then dig in deeper, start adding up. If what is actually on plan doesn't add up, either it's too much or it's too little, then there's a whole lot of questions that you can ask there that will reveal an awful lot more before you even start working out what to pay for the property.
Absolutely. And so, when you realise there's 3 square metres unaccounted for, and I'm like, go hunting through the strata plan, I find this little web of storage cages. I'm like, there's a storage cage on title. Of course, then I go and inspect the property again, because a lot of people only look once and they're rushed to buy it. Go and have a look at the car space. We're going back to, what is on title? What are you actually buying? Make sure you get what you think you're getting. I've gone down and hunted it out, found it. So there you go. That's on title. So the new buyer can go and get a storage cage for free, effectively.
Got a storage cage.